I was an educator by profession and started teaching in 1993.
Right.
And obviously, I was introduced by one of the guys whom I met at my church. And being an educator, paid every 20th of the month, it's never enough, for what we want to do every single month. So when he said to me, don't you want to listen to a concept whereby you can start doing a sideline income? I said, yeah, for sure. So I went to a presentation. That's when I started, way back 1999. As a new IFA does, it's quite easy, as obviously as we have projected in our presentations. The first step is attend the presentation. But once you sign up, in our business, we talk about a teamwork. Bringing in the company in terms of the support that the company is bringing, in terms of infomercials on TV, the support in terms of presenters all over the country. But most importantly, the presentations on all the provinces in South Africa. But once you start, obviously the key thing is listen to those people who've been there before you. That's the most important thing. And work with your downlines. For me, Des, I can say a lot. And starting way back as an educator in 1993, yeah, obviously, I had hoped to buy my first car 6 months or a year down the line. But obviously, when I started, I was still on my feet, But I bought my first car through my IFA earnings. And for now, I'm owning 3 executive cars, and I live in the house of my dreams. That's what it has done for me. And talk about the family, you are able now to say, okay, my kid is on one of the best schools in the area where I stay. So, it's just one of the things that many a times as a young boy you'll dream of. But when you get to realize now that, I can live there, that's the power of this business.